Hey everybody, Jacob here with Ground Zero USA, and I'd like to talk a little bit about a new product from Ground Zero, the Radioactive line of micro amplifiers. The new micro line of amps in the Radioactive series is really kind of a fun line of amplifiers. And the reason I like it is we all love to be able to bury amps. We love to be able to, have power on tap, versatility, so on and so forth. And that's one of the reasons why this series is kind of fun to play with. It's available in three models. We've got two monos, a 400 watt and a 700 watt monoblock, in addition to a 65 by 4 channel. Now, while that might not seem like what you would think is a massive amount of power, it's versatile. And the thing that I dig about it is it's a small amplifier, roughly about that big footprint wise. However, it's also bridgeable. So now let's say you're running a three-way active setup in the front or something along those lines in more of a budget minded thought process. Take two 4 channels, you've got 65 by 4 plus bridged power, and you've really got the ability to make something fun but completely hidden. This isn't a cost-effective series of amplifiers. It's very budget-friendly, so it allows us to kind of step down that thought process of high-end Uber SQ into something fun, something more versatile, and kind of an entry stepping point into an SQ build without taking up a whole lot of real estate. Because let's be honest, we can go 4 channel or we can go 4 channel. So it's really a fun line to play with. They're phenomenal sounding. They're exactly what you think they should be, plus, with all of the quality of a Ground Zero amp. And there you have it. A little bit of information on a really cool product, the micro series of amplifiers within the Radioactive line from Ground Zero. To find out more information, power ratings, specific power ratings, footprint, all the fun stuff, come on over to groundzerousa.com. And I hope you really get a chance to play with these amps.